I'm going to open the command prompt as administrator. So you can open a command prompt by searching for CMD here, and then just right click here and then click on run as administrator. And once your command prompt is open, what you need to do is you need to run this command here. So this command I'm going to give you in the description of the video also. So I'm going to just copy this command, and then I'm going to just paste this command here on this terminal, and then I'm going to just press enter, and it says the operation completed successfully. So once it says operation completed successfully, then I'm going to just close this terminal once again, and then once you run this command, you need to restart your computer once again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart my computer. So now I have restarted my computer.